I'm marching towards your house, it's cloudy, oh so happy, such irony. Oh, it might rain, no pain, no gain, I will remain, and this sounds insane. She said, so don't lie, say that we're not going, but get on tonight. 'Cause I saw your eyes, they told me what I was doing was just so wrong, and I decided to head back home. I got to your house a little too early, and you were not there, so as I waited, I had painted pictures of you and I in bed. And I was so excited because we had planned everything together, oh, perfectly. She said, so don't lie, say that we're not going, get her on tonight. 'Cause I saw your eyes, they told me what I was doing was just so wrong, and I decided to head back home. She said,
I swear to God, all I did was look in her eyes.
said,
Somehow it was leading between her
she
thighs.
said,
I swear to God, all I did was look in her eyes. And somehow it was leading between her thighs.
I called you on the phone to get it on, even if you could. I don't think that you would, 'cause you're a little bitch that can't fucking pitch. I just got a feeling, that's the reason. Don't be plain, now right now, I don't know how I'm talking to her or